guys, so today I will talk about adiabatic expansion. We know that in adiabatic delta Q is 0, neither heat goes inside nor heat goes out of the system. So delta Q is equal to delta U plus delta W. This is 0, so this becomes delta U is equal to minus delta W. We know that delta U is NCV delta T, and we know that this is P delta delta V. Now now we have this equation PV is equal to nRT, right? So we just take P delta V plus V delta P is equal to nR delta T. And if you put the value of n delta T from here, you get minus P delta V by CV, and we have R, right? So P delta V by CV times R. So this becomes P delta V plus V delta P. Now if you take it this side, P delta V common, 1 plus R by CV is equal to minus V delta P. This becomes V delta P. CV plus R is equal to minus CV V delta P. We know Cp minus Cv is equal to R, so R plus Cv becomes Cp. So P Cp delta V is equal to minus V Cv delta P. So we can have P by delta P is equal to minus V by delta V, and this is Cp by Cv. So we reach this equation so this is like this: P by Cv P by delta P is equal to minus V by delta V. So we can write this as gamma. So if we write this as PV raised to the power gamma is equal to some constant, we can write it like this: P gamma V gamma minus 1 plus V gamma, this is dV, this is dP is equal to 0, and then we have gamma P dV is equal to minus V gamma minus 1 dP. This becomes minus V dP, and this is gamma P dV. So this will be P by dP gamma minus V by dV. So this is exactly the same as this. So we can say, we can conclude that PV की power gamma is equal to constant for adiabatic expansion. So if you take the derivative, you reach it this level. So from here you can either go back in steps like this, and then from here you can write PV raised to the power gamma is equal to constant. Now if you calculate the work done, that is given by P dV, and we know PV raised to power gamma is equal to some constant, so you can write P is equal to K V raised to power gamma. You can write this value here, dV V raised to power gamma, and you can just basically take do the integration here. This is V minus gamma plus 1 upon minus gamma plus 1, volume V1 to V2, and you can take the values 1 minus gamma V 2 minus gamma plus 1 minus V1 minus gamma plus 1. So this will be the work done in the case of adiabatic expansion, and delta U will be equal to minus delta W. So that's all for this video. If you have any other questions, you can just ask me in the comments.